Hey, Mark Lambert here in the Sweet Swine of Mine Distributing Test Kitchen. We're going to show you a quick little recipe that you can whip up. It's a really good side dish for the summertime. Cucumbers are in season this time of year, and when there are extra cucumbers, if you let them get too big, you know, these are on the edge of being too big. The seeds get big and they get a little tough and they get a little bitter. So as you get extra cucumbers, it's a great little side. It's a good little accoutrement to a taco if you shave them instead of slicing them. And we're going to slice these and we'll make a quick little pickled cucumber salad. My mama used to make this all the time. We had tons of cucumbers, and it's real simple. It goes together. I've added my own little twist to it, compliments of a few buddies from around the country, but the premise is very simple. It's cucumbers and vinegar. So you can add different things to it, but here's the way I like to do it, and I don't ever do it the same way twice. I essentially do it the way with what the ingredients that I have. So whatever ingredients I have, I kind of mix it up a little bit. I've even done a recipe with some gochujang, and you know what? I forgot I've got some gochujang, so I may get that and add that to this recipe. It is really, really good. You can even use this if you like to make Korean barbecue. So we're going to get started. Okay, we've got everything all set up. First thing we're going to do is put our cucumbers in. I usually just, I've already got them all cut up here. This is 3, I'm going to call them large cucumbers, y'all. I've got a nice large container to put them in. You can do this in a Ziploc bag if you want. This is a little cleaner, and I tend to spill a little bit. I get in and out of the refrigerator while I'm eating these. So, got our cucumbers in there. So, we have over here about one little small knob of ginger, about half of that. And we've got about 7 cloves of garlic. We're going to put those in there, and those have been crushed. When you crush that garlic, if it's fresh, then just put your knife over it, your chef's knife, hit it with the heel of your hand and crush it, and those essential oils come out and make that garlic a little extra yummy. So here I've got most of an Anaheim pepper. You know, they're real mild. So I've got that Anaheim that's going to lay in there. And then I've got 1 jalapeno and 2 serrano peppers I'm going to throw in there. And then I'm going to take some white lightning. This stuff is good on everything, y'all. And I'm going to put what I'm going to call somewhere about 1.5 teaspoons maybe in there. And then what we're going to do now is we're going to put about half of this bottle. I like this seasoned rice vinegar. It's got a little sweet to it and a little seasoning. So we're going to put about half of this bottle of rice vinegar. And I'm kind of looking at my water level on the side to see where I'm at. Labels all the way across, hard to see. I love rice vinegar. It just works perfect with this recipe. You can do any kind of pickle with vegetable with onions in this if you want. We may throw a little onion in this after the fact. Water, I'm going to use about half of this bottle of water. Maybe half of it right under the label. And then here I've got some jalapeno white balsamic vinegar from the Robust Olive. And I'm going to do 1, 2. 2 good. I'm going to call that, in Brian Lipp's terms, my buddy from Louisiana, I'm going to call that 2 gloop gloops. So that goes in there. The last thing really to go in there, we're going to put a little gochujang. This is a spicy pepper paste that they use in Korean barbecue. And I'm going to put a nice portion of gochujang in there. And these are going to be some spicy, yummy. That's about how much we're going to put in there, y'all. And this is going to dissolve. I can shake and stir this up later. I'm not worried about as much about that. I wait to the end to put my water in and my vinegar because I just need enough to cover. Some's going to come out of this once I get it going. Let me clean this up a little bit. I can't leave that little bit on the edge. Tiny bit more, so big heaping teaspoonful. And guys, I'm just going to kind of knock this around to kind of halfway get this gochujang all dissolved in there. Overnight is usually what I'm looking for. I'm going to cut about 1/2 an onion. You know, I feel like it. Or maybe I'll put some green onion. I don't know which I'll do. If you get the idea is to use what you've got. If you like onion, put onion. If you don't, don't. If you like carrot, put some carrot. If you like ginger, put it. If you don't put it in there. This is totally up to you. The idea is that you've got some cucumbers, you've got some vinegar, and I like the rice vinegar, and I like the jalapeno vinegar along with the peppers. So this is your own. Make this your own, and put it in the refrigerator overnight, and enjoy this the next day alongside your salad or whatever for a nice, tangy, crunchy side to whatever you're having this summer. So, thanks for watching. This is our little pickled summer cucumber salad. here at Sweet Swine of Mine Distributing. Subscribe to our channel. There's going to be tons and tons of these little recipes coming up, and we're going to show you some twists on recipes we've been doing for years and years and years. Some that are tried and true and never changed, some that are ad-lib, just like this one. Thanks for watching.